In this video, we'll recommend you the best canister vacuum to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Canister Vacuum 2022 is Miley Classic C1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum. Best for pet hair. This Good Housekeeping Seal Star was created especially for cleaning up after cats and dogs. It was even our pick for the best model for pet hair and hardwood floors. The powerful vacuum comes equipped with an active air clean filter to help neutralize any lingering pet odors, so it's great for trapping and locking that dreaded dog smell. It also comes with a flexible handheld mini turbo brush attachment for cleaning upholstery, stairs, and other tight spaces that are prone to collecting pet hair, dirt, and more. At number 4. Orec Compact Canister Vacuum. Best Portable. The Orec weighs just 5.5 pounds, the lightest of our picks, and is more portable than the traditional canister, making it great for smaller jobs. It comes with a shoulder strap and a telescoping extension wand for nabbing dust in hard-to-reach places like window frames, ceiling fans, and light fixtures. There's also a 20-foot cord so you don't have to worry if your messes, such as spills in the car, aren't close to an outlet. While it can't deep clean pile carpets, our pros were impressed with its pickup on hard floors, flat carpets, and area rugs. At number 3. Dyson Cinetique Big Ball Animal. Best Bagless. If you don't want to keep a stock of extra bags and filters for your vacuum, stick with this pick from Dyson. It comes with a built-in bin that you empty over the trash can just by pushing a button. Our pros also recommend using the built-in scraper to clean off the filter to prevent microscopic dust from clogging up the vacuum and reducing suction. The Dyson Big Ball comes with a self-adjusting floor head that adjusts to create an optimal seal for whatever type of floor it's cleaning, and in our lab evaluations, it picked up an average of 99.9% of debris from hardwood floors. At number 2. Eureka Mighty Mite 3670G. Best Value. Apartment dwellers and college students often don't have the space for a full-size canister vacuum, but this model is a lightweight and compact machine that doesn't lack in power. It's racked up a 4.5-star rating from more than 11,000 reviewers on Amazon who praise it for being easy to tote up and down the stairs and for including 2 wand attachments that have excellent pick-up and tough-to-reach places. And this model has been part of the Eureka line for many years, so it must be doing something right. It's best for quick cleanup jobs on bare floors or smooth surfaces and comes with a blower port for blowing leaves or debris in the garage. While it can likely pick up lint or hair on a carpet surface, without a rotating brush, don't expect it to deep clean. At number 1 of the top 5 best canister vacuum 2022 is Miele Complete C3. Best overall. Miele's vacuums have won over our pros, and this Good Housekeeping Seal Star is no exception. Knowing that super soft or plush carpets are often harder to clean because of dense tufts, the Miele Complete C3 comes with a power nozzle and brush roll that adjust to 5 different levels to make plowing through plush pile carpets easier. A metal telescoping wand, a dusting brush, an upholstery tool, and a crevice tool are also included in its accessory set, as is a pure suction floor head made for use on all smooth flooring. The vac uses a high filtration bag and HEPA air clean filter that the company claims will retain 99.99% of the dust from being released back into the air, a plus for allergy sufferers. In tests, Miele vacuums do the best job of picking up and keeping dust and dirt particles inside the vacuum. Thank you for watching the top 5 best canister vacuum 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our vacuums buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.